Preparing to take the SAT. This presentation contains information that will help you prepare for the SAT and ACT. We have identified 4 areas that we believe students should focus on during their study time. There are 4 areas that students must practice as they prepare to take the SAT. Pace, format, length, skills. Length. Test exhaustion occurs when students lose focus during long assessments. The SAT is 3 hours long and the ACT is 2 hours and 55 minutes. Students are not accustomed to working for that length of time for one assessment. Students should take a practice test once a month during their test prep time. Parents can help by establishing a test-like environment in the house as students take practice tests on Khan Academy, or by acting as test proctors if students are using SAT/ACT booklets. Pace. Students must prepare to answer questions within a specified amount of time. Each section of the SAT and the ACT is timed. Students should practice answering questions quickly and efficiently. To practice this skill, students should use the 6 and 6 method developed by our Math Department Chairperson Mrs. Newman. Students should practice answering 6 questions correctly in 6 minutes. They can begin by allowing themselves 12 minutes to answer the 6 questions. Each time they drill, they should reduce the amount of time they give themselves until they can effectively answer the 6 questions in 6 minutes. Questions can be found in SAT/ACT booklets, online or in Khan Academy. Format. Most students are not accustomed to answering SAT and ACT type questions. It is important that they take time to work through SAT/ACT questions on a daily basis so when they sit for the test they can unlock the questions. This can be done by committing to daily Khan Academy practice. Skills. Skill deficiencies can lead to low scores. As students work on Khan Academy, they should be sure to identify areas where they may need to learn or refresh their knowledge of concepts they are not comfortable with. They can do this by working with a tutor or using the Khan Academy lessons and videos. Let's review. The 4 areas to focus on during SAT/ACT test preparation are pace, format, skills, length. If you have additional questions, you can visit our department's website and click on the Test Prep Information tab, or you can email or call your professional school counselor.